Right folks, today we're going to look at this little glass scratch removal kit. Inside you've got your instructions how to do the job. You'll need such a thing as the electric drill. You have all your little pad selection, polishers and your compound. So we're going to now go and see, can we take a scratch out of a car by following these instructions and see just how good this really is. So we'll set ourselves up at the car and we'll go and have a look now. Okay, so we're going to just clean down the offending area, which is this little scratch mark here that a bad wiper blade has caused. We're going to see if we can remove this, polish this window up, make it look clean again. So I'm going to start with the first abrasive pad here. We've already applied it onto the drill. It's a wee Velcro one, so it's easy removed. We're going to see now if we can flatten this out, so let's start. Actually does feel a lot smoother now. So we're giving this first cutting down. We're going to give it a bit of clean off and see. And to the touch, it feels smoother already. You feel the wee ridges have gone. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the rough abrasive pad, put on the finer one, go again, see how that goes and then polish it up. Okay, so we're on to the second pad. Just be careful when you're holding it that you don't let it flick and run across the screen and do some more damage. Just hold it sort of firm but gently on the surface of the glass. As you see on the pad itself, the fragments of glass, you can tap them off. Obviously you're bringing much of the surface off, so what you want to do is go either side of your scratch to make a broader mark to let the pad do its work. That now is feeling very smooth. So the kit has a cloth in it for this, for the cleaning, and you can feel it actually almost sticking to it. So that's it, well cleaned out. We'll now apply the polish and see how we go. So take 3. So we'll try this again. Put a little dollop in the middle and seal up again in case you drop it. We can still see a wee faint line of where we have been, but the window is really smooth as glass. But I think we'll give it a second go, just a slight little bit more buffing, and I think this is good to go. And it's actually taken most of it away, but you can still see the actual depth. There must have been slightly deeper bits there. So we'll give it one more go and see if we can bring this up a little bit more. Okay, so we're cleaning off the buffing process with the polish, and it's looking much better. As you see, if you come close, the mark, basically, you know where it is because it's for the wiper, but it's a lot better. That's it polished out, and I suppose now we just clean the rest of the window up. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. There's no feel at all. Nice and smooth. There you go, result. Happy days.